Yo everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be showing you, we're gonna be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4. So I'm actually pro in this game. So, as always, my name is Mira Marco, and let's get into it. Night 6. Jesus Christ. Okay. Wow. Wait. What's that? Good. I'm so scared. Great. Oh. How fast did you get? Oh, Jesus Christ. That's not enough. Jesus. No. I'm dead. Ooh. Ooh. Bonnie. Ooh. Breathing. Wow. How fast that happened. Wow. So. Whoa. This is impossible. This is asinine. I can't reach night 7. So hard. Okay. Let's play night 5. And officially it's much better. So let's just play night 5. Okay. Wait, I hear. Not here. Blah blah blah. He's right there. Nope. Fake up. Wow. No. Come on. Ooh, got you there. Big glass? Nope. Hey, is this place? Nope. Where is he? There he is. This place. Ooh. Close. That was a close one. I regret it. Where is he? I don't know what that is. Ooh. Wow. That was spooky. I'm sure he's in this. Come on. Oh no, he went back to the other one. Come on. Whoa. Okay. Not here. Where'd he go? Not here. Where'd he go? What? Ooh, he was right there. Ooh. The laugh. I think it's a fake laugh. Yep. What? Not there. Where is he? Ooh, he is right there. Yeah, he is not there. Goody. Ooh. Ah, good. Goody. Ooh, got you there. I knew you were about to grab it. You went back to the same door? Why are you doing that? Nope. You went to this door. Nope. Where'd he go? I think he's in the kitchen. Why would Golden Fredbear go into the kitchen? I don't even know. I don't even care. Okay. He might be in this door. Yep. Come on. Great. This door. Nope. Oh. Back. Nope. Here. Yep. Great. It's 4 a.m. Come on. I got this. I got this, guys. I got this. I'm boned. I'm so boned. He's gonna kill me. Where is he? I can't even talk when I panic. I'm so panicked right now. I don't know what to do. Ooh. This guy. This door. Ooh, I gotcha. Boop. Oh, sorry. Nope. No. Ooh, come on. That means he's right here. And this one. Nope. Come on, 5 a.m. I got this. I so got this. Come on, 6 a.m. Come on, 6 a.m. Don't you be kidding me. Where'd he go? Ooh. Great. Here. Eesh. Come on. Where is he? Was that his thing? I don't know. Okay, let's just. Nope. Where is he? Oh no, I'm so boned. I'm boned. Ooh, he's so fast now. But that was a fake laugh, I know. Yes! Oh, lucky final, baby! Wow! That was fun! Okay, final flush trap. Okay. Oh, see you there. Ah! Oh, come on, move. Oh, why didn't... Okay, I'm gonna be leaving this. Okay, sorry about that. So guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. And if you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss. And as always, if this has to be the first video, please subscribe and like. So, as always, I'll see you in the next video.